Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have a very special cigar. Today we're going to be unboxing the Romeo y Julieta CUPIDOS. This is one of their latest releases, and as you can see, this is an Especialista. And this box is from June 2023. And this box was purchased from Cigars. I will leave a link to their website and the cigar in the description below. Now, the new latest releases of Habanos, a lot of them come with a lot of packaging, varnished boxes, which is something that a lot of actual aficionados don't actually appreciate. They think it's becoming a bit too commercialized, and especially since Habanos partnered with the Chinese, who bought a very big percentage of them. They have been making more and more special releases, and these are things that obviously make the cigars more expensive, and you know, by giving you all these extra packaging and all these varnished boxes and outer box and sleeve and inner box, it just makes the cigars more expensive. But it's something that is becoming ridiculous. But again, that's part of what the world is now, and there's nothing to do about it. So these cigars are 55 ring gauge and close to 6 inches in length, which is very big for the cigars. Romeo y Julieta don't usually make these type of vitolas. Let's take this out and show you. So again, like we said, there's this outer sleeve. These are boxes of 20. There's 10 on each row. I've already tried one out. You have this foam to keep the box intact. And let's take this out and show you guys what it looks like. And here you have the box, which is a very pretty varnished box. On the side it says 20 CUPIDOS. On the bottom it's got this velvet with the Habanos totalmente a mano, which means totally handmade. It's got a gold beautiful button there. So to open the box, you press the button here. Now you have the Cigars humidity pack. Then you're greeted with this Specialista, I would say, I'll call it a letter or a little sign that tells you exactly the size, the measurement, and everything about the cigar. Very nice. Next you have the EMS, which is English Market Selection, or we said the Hunters and Francois, which are the importers of the cigars into the UK. You get the next one, which is the Habanos, which come with every Cuban cigar. Then there is this wrapper. Again, there's so many things that they put in, and it's all about the packaging, not so much about the cigar, and that's something that me and a lot of cigar aficionados don't appreciate. You've got this piece of cedar wood, and finally you have the cigars. Now, I'm not saying these cigars are not beautiful. These cigars are absolutely stunning. Double band. This is a pyramid shape. Pyramid. Long filler. Medium strength. Fantastic cigars. They come with a little ribbon to help you pull out the first one. And as you can see over here as well, also on the hinges, you've got in gold, it says Habanos. Don't know if you can see that, which is all very nice, but at the end of the day, it's mostly about the packaging, not so much about the cigars. I will say these cigars are extremely enjoyable and a fantastic smoke, and I can't wait to age them and see what age will do to them. But with that being said, I think that all this extra packaging and all the varnish, and it's very cool, but it's not about the cigars. It's more about the packaging and the finishing. You know, they've made everything, and I've realized this a lot with the latest releases. You have the Juan Lopez Selección Especial. You have that with even the new Cohiba Siglo de Oro, which is the Year of the Rabbit. It comes in a beautiful black varnish box, which is nice. Don't get me wrong, but I think that it's a bit too much, and it's not so much about the cigars. It's trying to sell you a product. These cigars are not cheap. These cigars are in the UK fetch a heavy premium. And for someone like me who likes smoking cigars for what they are, less about the packaging, I think it's absolutely insane and ridiculous. But again, that's the world we live in now, and there's nothing we could do about it. So my advice to you guys, if you're into cigars, I advise you to start buying now, because these things will not get any cheaper. They'll just keep on getting more and more expensive. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.